YouTube, please. So I was trying to post a video. So it had a thumbnail that has blood. Well, yeah, and I marketed stuff for kids. It's just a short film, a very low budget film. It's bad. Alam ko naman yun. Pero, YouTube naman kasi. Hindi naman yun wala naman good. Alcohol marker lang yung nilagay ko sa mukha ko. Oh, hindi nyo pa kaya yung alcohol marker. Sinasend ko to para mapasa ng YouTube. YouTube! Please! Bakit pa kasi? I-change ko na lang yung